My name's Caleb Collins, and I've been a real estate photographer for the last decade. In 2015, I founded Nested Tours. We're a full-service real estate marketing company offering everything from professional real estate photography to Matterport 3D shoots, video walkthroughs to drone shoots, and more. When I was learning the ropes on how to be a real estate photographer, it was really difficult. There just simply weren't a lot of resources out there. That's why we founded Nested Photo School, so that you have a one-stop place to learn what all the pros are using. We're gonna list out gear, equipment, software, video, gimbals, drone, you name it, we're gonna teach you how to do it. For a limited time, we're making our course How to Prepare for a Photo Shoot free to you, so you can receive a sample of what our courses are gonna be like. Some courses are gonna be in a studio environment like this, and we're gonna help walk you through how to set up your gear. Other courses, we're gonna get out of the studio and we're gonna go on location and do a job shadow. You're gonna get to see step by step what it's like in the real world to be out and provide these services. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you to learn how to be a great photographer and videographer. I'll see you in the first course.